Friends, now based on the BODMAS rule, we break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. So BODMAS says first we solve bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket O. O stand for of we convert into multiplication and we solve the square roots and exponent. D. D stands for division, M stand for multiplication, A stand for addition, S stand for subtraction. According to this BODMAS sequence, we'll break it down this expression by a step-by-step solution. Now first we solve division. Calculate, identify and solve all the division parts. So as you can see here, 1 divided by 1 equals to 1. Now the expression becomes 1 plus 1 multiplied by 1 plus 1 again plus 1 multiplied by 1 plus 1. So now according to this step 1, the BODMAS says division must be performed before multiplication and addition to maintain the correct order of operation. Now the second multiplication, identify and solve all the multiplication operation as you can see here. So now first we multiply 1 into 1 equals to 1 and expression becomes 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 and plus 1. According to this steps 2, multiplication hold a higher priority than the addition. We solve these next to reduce the expression to the single type of operation. Now third we add all the remaining terms together. So now 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So they are the 5 times of 1. So it will become 5. According to this step, addition is the final step in this specific problem, and since all the terms are now of the same priority, we sum them from left to right. The BODMAS, according to this expression, the final result of the expression is 5. By strictly following the BODMAS hierarchy, we avoid the common mistakes of simply calculating from left to right, so which would lead to an incorrect answer. So I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.